In this video, I'll be explaining the term market capitalization surrounding crypto, and it also is used in stocks. This is a question posed by one of our subscribers. This video is only for education. Also, we'll address why it's so important to understand the true meaning and how you can use it daily to protect your investments in both crypto and stocks. Let's jump right into it. What is a market capitalization, or CAP for short? First, we need to cover what is a market cap, and also how is it calculated. This will help you to understand why this is so important to learn about. Well, a market capitalization is a really important indicator that measures and keeps track of the market value of a crypto or a stock. In general, the higher the market cap of a crypto or stock, the more dominant it's considered to be in the financial markets. So, for this very reason, market cap is often regarded as the single most important indicator for its ranking. For today's example, we will be referring to the website CoinMarketCap, and this can be found online at coinmarketcap.com. Let's look at how the market cap is actually calculated. It's determined by the current price of your investment multiplied by the circulating supply. You can see it broken down in this graphic: price times circulating supply. Now, as I just discussed my personal preference for the website I use, there are a range of websites to ready help you track the changing market caps. The most commonly used is CoinMarketCap because of the easy to look at and research your investment decision. Please also check out CoinGecko.com, CoinDesk, and even CNBC Crypto, just to name a few. Now, CoinMarketCap also offers the crypto world's most popular indexes for all the relevant financial metrics for our cryptos. On CoinMarketCap, all prices are calculated by the volume-weighted average of all the prices from different exchanges. So, bear in mind that it's important to monitor the circulating supply of your investment, not the total supply. After all, it's only the circulating supply that is readily available on the market right now. So, for example, we're using the total supply of Bitcoin, as we've covered in previous videos, is only 21 million. This means, say for Bitcoin, only 21 million token will ever be offered. But all of these coins will not be fully in circulation until they're all mined, which it's projected to be in the year 2140, so you have some time. Is market cap the best way to measure the popularity? So even though the market cap of a project is still seen as the most important indicator of relevancy, the concept behind this is often subject to some criticism. Now, the reason is that the market cap of a cryptocurrency more or less reflects the popularity of a crypto over the longer term. So, large cap cryptocurrencies are generally considered to be safe crypto investments. These are companies with a market cap of more than 10 billion US dollars. Investing in coins with large market caps is usually quite a conservative strategy, and these coins are likely to be less volatile than other cryptos, but still more volatile than traditional assets like stocks. Now, mid-cap cryptos are more volatile, but also have a lot more growth potential than larger cap cryptocurrencies. And small-cap cryptocurrencies are often extremely volatile and can be considered high-risk investments, albeit sometimes with a lot of potential for short-term growth. However, be aware they might also crash literally from one minute to the next. Why is it important to watch changing market capitalizations? And as always with cryptocurrencies, we do recommend for you to do thorough research before investing and also consider all vital factors involved. For instance, market cap as a metric doesn't say much about the actual trading volume over the last couple of hours. Therefore, it does make sense to also check CoinMarketCap for the 24-hour trading volume that a cryptocurrency has on different exchanges over a reasonable period of time and other essential criteria before investing. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to not miss any more content like this by liking and subscribing to my educational videos. Make sure to turn the bell notification on so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.